See, there is a market is good, but as a human, I am doing some mistake. I don't want to be a gambler. If you are doing like a gambling, then it is gambling. If you are doing some other business also, if you are not serious in that your business, that is also gambling. If you are
Correct.
serious in this your business, this is business.
So hello everyone. Today we have Alexander, who's been a consistent funded trader with the 5 years, and today Alexander will be sharing his trading journey and trading strategy with all of us and the 5 years community member. So Alexander, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you, Ravi.
So can you please tell us something about your trading journey? Like how did you got introduced to trading?
Okay. My trading journey, actually, it is. I'm also surprised. Actually, 10 years back, I am not sure how I entered in that forex market. Still, I am searching because I am searching the different things. For it's like a secondary the income. Like I am planning for that. I am searching in that Indian market, and uh, I luckily I just noticed the forex market at that time when I'm searching. So there is no much details about the forex market in India. It is very limited. Very limited people's only there's knows, and I'm learning my own, and I get some help from some only very few people's. It's like a two people's only. I just interacted before I'm starting. See how is this market, how to be trade, see what is this buy and sell, how to see deposit and withdrawal, all those things, the brokerage and everything. Once I clear, I'm happy to be continuing the forex market. That is the way I am entering into the forex.
That's really great that you are trading from last 10 years.
Yeah,
So it's
yes.
been a very long journey. Like in these 10 years, have you faced like significant losses? And what exactly was the point when you started becoming profitable?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, losses. I lost. Yeah, see, many times I lost. Many times I lost. But in the beginning itself, I'm getting good profits. Even my own funded account also. I see. For example, I deposited $1,000, and within a day I make it more than $1,000 also. Then after 2 days, 3 days, the greediness, I will lost the total accounts, the entire amount. So this is the things it's happening from the beginning. Then after that, um, I seriously look on that. Yeah, yes. See, there is a market is good, but as a human, I am doing some mistake. Um, See, whenever I am losing, I am analyzing myself. See, not in the market. See, market, I have a strategy how to trade. Okay, but even nowadays also I am losing, but the losing it happens because of it's a human mistake. It is not a it is not like it is a market, or it is not like my strategy. I keep on see, educating myself to be controlled the emotionally and psychologically. Okay, so that is the best way to be. Uh, I'm running in that the forex
So
industry.
yeah, it's very important that we all manage our psychology because everyone has a trading plan, but
Yeah, yes,
psychology
yes,
is something which is being tested in live market only.
yeah, yes,
Yeah.
correct.
So, can you please share your screen and show us your dashboard, your trading history, and how's been your trading going? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, before that, I'm telling I practiced a lot using to trade by my smartphone instead of
Okay.
the laptop and the computers, because actually I'm IT profession. See, whenever I have a time,
Yeah.
um, see, there is very easy to do the trade, see, over the phone. Okay,
Yeah.
so the last time also I shared my screen over the phone, right, with you. Okay, so as of now I'm having laptop. See, let me share, but the MT5 I have only in that see, my phone only. I just
That's
open.
fine. That's fine. You can show your Fiverr's dashboard, and in the case of strategy, you can use
Yeah,
trading
sure,
view.
sure. Okay, fine. I'm logging to my dashboard.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, see, let first I am showing my achievements. This is the
Okay. So like you have almost withdrawn like $18,000. So it's
yeah,
close
yes,
to $18,000.
yeah,
And
yes.
this is a very huge, very huge success because I know $18,000 in how many months have you made these profits?
Actually, this is see, within a month, I think. I will
Okay,
show
so
you
it's
that.
within a month. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
yes. Yeah, yes. Actually, the what happened is uh, in the beginning, I just uh, do that. See this one. I got my funded account. Okay. See,
Okay.
within the 14 days, uh, I crossed my profit, the target, the $10,000. So what happened is, it is immediately it is switched to the next level. Okay.
Okay.
So I
So you
can't able.
scaled your 100K funded account. So the next stage was 125K account, right?
Yeah, 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 yes. Okay. Then see, within after that, uh, what I did is, okay. So see, in this case, I just waited for to complete the 14 days. So I
Okay.
withdrawal that amount in the second. So it is maximum within a month of time. I collect this my profit. See what is this my achievements. Then within a month, it is switched to the two level of the next level, the 10 to 1025, then 50. Like
Yeah. So currently, like you have any funded account?
yeah, yes. Actually, what happened is I missed. I lost the 150K account the
Okay.
few days
So
back. Yeah, yes, few days back because of some. See this is the day I'm unexpected. Okay, this is unexpected. See, it means see what see how I am trading. Uh, if I put a trade, I keep on monitoring. See that is the way I'm normally trading. Okay, so but in this I put a trade for here, and I missed to monitor because of some meetings and some other things, and it is a Friday also. Actually, see that is my human mistake. As I told, this is a human mistake. It is completely uh, okay. It is
yeah, I
fine.
think there was a Fed news on Friday.
Yeah, yes,
So
yes. So that is
yeah.
so mostly I'm avoiding to trade Friday, but that day I was somewhat free. I started, but after that some issues in my organization, and I was stuck with that meeting. I missed this to close the trade, so it will
Okay.
be I lost. But after that, uh, I I, I cleared. I cleared the one more new account the yesterday. See, within 3 days, I will clear.
So can you share the trades like how many lots you are taking and what's your
Yeah,
risk
yeah,
reward
yeah, yes.
ratio?
Actually, the immediately I started. Actually, I buy the another program with 5% years because if I am not buying, I'm losing my confidence. I have to be buy immediately. No,
Yeah.
because I forget my trade, my loss. I have to start the new trade. Okay, so that is
Okay.
the psychological I am doing. So this is the one I started on Monday, the last Monday. Only four trades. All four trades are success.
Okay. So like do you trade only gold? Because I'm seeing like you have
Yeah,
only
yes,
traded.
yeah, yes, yes. I forget to say that I am a gold trader. I am focusing only on gold. See
Okay.
other currencies, other things also I can able to analyze, and I can help to see if someone asking for analysis. But I am trading only gold for long time.
Mm-hmm.
Gold is it is a good movement, right?
Yeah.
I like gold. I like gold. So my all the trades, all the profits in the gold only. I'm not using any other pairs.
Yeah,
So
that's
this
good.
is, yeah, yes.
So you are
After I lost, yeah, yeah, yes. After I lost my the funded account, again I started trade on 26th, the last
mm,
Monday. Okay, then it's just 3 days. I completed the first phase. Okay, it's a four trades. You can see here. Total trades four, profit trades four, and I collected. It's 100% each. Okay.
So can you please share your trading strategy? Like, how do you analyze your charts? How do you take entries? What's your parameters in order to take any kind of trades?
Okay. See, my for last 10 years, I worked in a different strategies. I have different strategies. See, for example, in a scalping or a swing trade, and the day trade. See, everything I have different strategies. But for the last few years back, I decided I am a trade trader. Okay, I have to be trade in as a trade trader. I have to be develop my system for the day trading. Okay, so in that also I have a different systems, and sometimes it is failing. See, most of the times it is positive. Okay, but then I decided I am working as IT professional, and I need to be develop the system in a see for my own way. Okay, so I decided the session first. The London session I am mostly preferring the London and the US session till or 7 or 8 something maximum in India IST. Okay, 7 p.m. or the 8 p.m. IST maximum. So see, this
Okay.
is the session I am first chosen. Okay, so in that my trading strategy is very simple. Before it was very complicated. I am studying a lot, the different parameters, different terms in a different price actions, and right, in the industry there are a lot of things are there. The FVG, the BOS, whatever it is, I learned all those things, but finally I decide the the trend is my friend. Okay, I am following the trend. Simple. See, there is very the simple strategy I am following. See, that is very helpful. I am following the trend. In that, my strategy is the breakout strategy and breakout failure both.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the very simple strategy, but it will be for my experience 99 percentage, and it will be succeed. See, for example, this is the yesterday thing. So this is the breakout. Actually, I marked. Okay, see, it is
Okay.
clear. The long handle, it is comes to break this the breakout line. Okay, and I have marked in that, and I'm waiting for confirmation. If it is not closed, see, before this line, any handle, I am confident to go up. Yeah, yes, it is going up only. So this is the trade I took that yesterday, and I completed my phase one.
So like as you said that you have learned so many strategies, for
Yeah,
example,
yeah.
FPT, which is a part of ICT trading. In the process of developing your strategy, like
Hmm.
how did you decided that this is the strategy that is going to work for you? Have you tested this for like a period of time, for example, 2 or 3 months?
Yeah. For example, I just to show you my old. I have one the, the screenshot, but I am not taking screenshot in periodically because I am busy with that. But so this is the one I have. This will help you to how my strategy works.
Okay, so like you marked the breakout structure. So whichever side the structure is breaking, you are taking the
Yeah,
that direction trade.
yeah, yes.
So we can see that there are continuous breakdowns that has been happening. The market is bearish, and you have taken that. So what exactly is the point of entry? Is it right after being the structure has been broken, or you wait for the retest? Is it like that?
See, if I missed that, as I told, I am see, before I am taking the trade, I just mark, and I am waiting. See, whenever I have a time, I am keep on monitoring um, the chat in my phone. Okay, in my smartphone.
Okay.
Once see, it is broken, I switch to the 5 minutes. Okay, in the 5 minutes only, I have to normally take a trade. See, for example, this is broken, and I have the clear signal. Yeah, it is going up, but again it comes down. So see, this is my stop loss actually. See, below this. See, not exact this. Okay, I am not keeping stop loss in that exact point. I am waiting and I am monitoring. I'm monitoring the chart. See, a lot of the time it will be comes and it will be goes up. So I have to be wait. See, this is my line, and in the 30 minutes time chart, um, the the handle should not close. See below this line. For example, see here. See, this is I marked this line. No handles. It is not closed below this line in the 30 minutes handle. Okay, so I have a confident. It will be go up only. If I missed to take the trade here, then I am waiting for this line. Sometimes it will be come here. See, if I am monitoring, if I am watching the market at the time of it is breaking, then I will take a trade immediately after closing this handle.
Okay, so as you said that you are a day trader, so like, do you use any limit orders or is it a market execution?
Sometimes market execution. Okay, mostly I set in the line. See what I marked the line now. In that line, I set the limit orders. Mostly I'm using the limit orders in that lines only.
Okay, so we saw like you have passed a recent evaluation account within like 5 trades. So can you tell us
Four
like
trades.
what is, yeah, 4 trades, sorry. So can you tell us like what's your risk to reward ratio? How much do you risk per trade?
See, my actual risk I am normally in the keep it in mind is a 1% per trade. Sometimes it is going beyond and that also. It is it's a 2% also. But if I have a confidence, then I am waiting. I am waiting. See, for example, here also, if it is comes like, see, I took a trade at the 3398.49. But
Hmm.
see, if my lot is a three lot, and I, I chose on a three lot, so it will be comes this line, it will be around 2000 plus dollar also. Actually, it is it's more than 2%, but I am waiting for that. If it
Hmm.
see if it is comes below my line, and if it is close the handle below the line, then I have to close immediately. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the
Okay.
way of my trading.
So you mentioned that you place your stop loss below the swing points. So how do you place your take profits?
See, take profits. See, for example, for the evaluation phase, I have to be the focus on to get the profit. Actually, we need to use minimum 3 days, right? The three profit days, right? So, see, based on
Yeah.
that, I have to be set it up. The $2,000 or $3,000. Like the first day, I will close in a 3,000 something level of. Okay. Say almost 4,000 something. So I got a profit, with the two orders. The next day I got only 2,000. The yesterday I got a 2,000. So that is the way I'm setting up in that the evaluation phase. In the funded account, I am I'm let run the profit side. I am not setting the profit. If I noticed for any exit, uh, I feel, I, I feel to exit. Sometimes it is market is going in a different direction. Then I will immediately close the profit trade also.
Okay.
Otherwise, I will did the run the profit.
So you mentioned that you are a trend trader. Basically, you're following a trend after it's been giving a breakout in the market.
Mhm.
So, like,
Mm.
you are following the trend and using some kind of indicators in order to follow that. Is it like any time frame that you are using that after this time I'm going to exit my trades, regardless of market going up and up? So, how does you choose to close a trade?
See, if any news comes in the US session, now before that, I will close the trade. If it is going positive or negative, whatever it is. I'm
Okay.
not normally, I am not for, see, if it is already trade is running, if I have more confident, then I will set a stop loss. In the
Okay.
profit side, see, not a minus side. If it is my trade is going in the profit, and I put a stop loss in the trailing stop loss, like, okay, see, normally, but
Mhm.
in 99 percentage I will close the trade. If it is if it is going, the current trade is in minus or plus, whatever it is. If any high priority news comes in that US session, then I will close immediately. I don't trade. I trade the only the London session and before any news in that US session. That's it.
Okay, so you're not into New York session because yeah, New York session is very volatile. There are so many
Yeah,
news
yeah,
around New
yes, very
York session. Yeah.
volatile. Yeah, yes. Actually, see, most of the time I am losing my accounts because of that. The US session, it is a volatile. My efforts are it is losing, right? So I put a lot of efforts, but in the US session, in the news time, see, I'm getting a very huge profit also in that the news time trading. But I don't
Mm-hmm.
see. It is like I don't want to be a gambler. I want to
Yeah.
be a good trader. Okay, so whenever I have a confident, I am making profit. Otherwise, I will close.
Yeah, so basically, because you're a day trader, so the time frame is very limited. Because if you say you're a swing trader, then maybe there is a chance that you can hold a trade, and you have like stakes that you have a big stop loss. So then you have a big target. For that, I think risking for the news is good part, but for a day trader, I think that's very risky part. So yeah, it's very good that you have eliminated New York session and the news trading time. So can you
Hmm.
please give us some advice for the new traders, like how should they start and what should be their overall approach towards trading and funded accounts?
Yeah, actually, the new traders. Yeah, anyway, see whatever the comments we will share with them, but anyway they have to lose. And see this is the market.
Mm-hmm.
See everyone, they are having their knowledge, but they are keep on losing because of the greediness and the psychologically they are uh, psychological issue, and that emotionally, we are affecting much. Okay, uh, even I shared my knowledge to my friends also, they are keep on losing. Now, because I share the knowledge, but they are not keep they can't able to control their emotions. And see if they are getting some profits, then
Yeah.
uh, so there is some greediness, right? And the next day they are losing like that. Okay, for my experience, I am following the trend. See, please follow the trend. See, make it your system and work on your system as much as possible to simplify. See, don't
Yeah.
make it complicate. The art of the see, I never used any indicators. As you see my chart, there is no indicators. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah.
chart is
It's
clear,
very clean.
and I have one. Yeah, yes, I have only one pair. And as I am trader, I used only the maximum the 1 hour. Okay, but I am monitoring in the 30 minutes, and I am taking trades in the 5 minutes. Okay, so this is my chart is very clean. Um, I'm not using any indicators. The indicators, it is never helps at the time of taking trade. Actually, if it is showing um, the older days, it will be works good like that, it is showing. But on that time, uh, uh, for my experience, any indicators, it's not helps to take a trade. Okay, do your own analysis, do your develop your own system and simplify your system as much as possible.
Yeah.
Don't complicate your system. It is very simply, see, as much as possible, if you simplify your system, you will be profitable. Even I lost my the funded account the last time. See, because of, see, there is a two reason. One, I'm not trading in a Friday, but see, I took a trade, and after that I busy with some other works. I forgot to see, monitor the chat, and it is immediately lost. See, that is, see, one more learning for me. I know that, but again I did the same mistake. Okay, so avoid. See, if you have this is the wrong, then you don't do that.
Okay, so there are 4 to 5 points that you have mentioned, like develop your strategy in a very simple format and don't overtrade. And then there is like keep your charts very clean because indicators are always lagging. And price action is something that is going to give you exact results. But in the live market, indicators are always lagging. But when a beginner trader start doing indicator trading, they used to backtest a lot on that data, but the
Mm, mm, mm.
backtested data is always giving you a past what we say, a past history of the price, where
Mm-mm.
the indicator shows that it is working, but sometimes
Mm.
indicator also changes character after the price is being changed. So
Yeah, yes.
which is why the indicator is not reliable for like trading in the live markets. Yeah.
Yeah, and trade your edge. See, waiting for your system. If the trade comes to your system, and
Hmm.
in that edge, you have to place the trade. Sometimes it will be goes in opposite direction. If you have a confident, then you have to wait. But uh, the market gives some signal. Okay, it surely gives some signal. And if you got to know, then immediately close. Otherwise, you have to
Okay.
wait. That's it.
Yeah, so it's your system. If you're following your system, always follow your system. Yeah, so system trading is very important. It's like a business plan. A
Yeah, yes,
successful
correct.
business always follows their business plan. Every trade is like a business plan. So we need to like follow each and everything as per our strategy, as per our plan.
Yeah, yes, and one more thing, the trading they normally saying, see, most of the persons they are come and they are going out. It is like a gambling like that. But uh, I
Yeah,
am thinking it is a business. I am thinking it is a business. All the business
yeah,
having the profit and losses, but in this is the only business I see we can able to control our loss and we can control the profit. Okay, this is the business. It is not a
correct.
gambling. You have to study. See, I studied a lot for this industry in this. If someone is
Hmm.
they're telling is gambling, I am not acceptable. It is a very good business. It is not a gambling. If you are doing like a gambling, then it is gambling. If you are doing some other business also, if you are not serious in that your business, that is also gambling. If you are
Correct,
serious in this your business, this is business. So that is the
correct.
only thing I just wanted to convey. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So thank for joining this call, Alex. It's been a
Yeah,
great
thank you.
meeting you.
Yeah,
And
thank you, Ravi.
thanks for sharing your experience with the 5S community members. So have a good day. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.